guys, all right, so today I am going to a beach close by of the name Sugar Pot. Now we always send our guests to Sugar Pot, but I've never been to Sugar Pot, so I'm going to go there. Today's a free day for me, so I'm going to go there and get a little experience what Sugar Pot is like, so we can continue to recommend Sugar Pot to our guests. So if you guys want to see this full video, don't skip it out, please watch it to the end. Alright, so I'm going to take you guys with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Said that already. Alright, I'm gonna take you guys on a journey. Bye. Okay guys, I am walking to go on the road to get a taxi. I called Sugar Pot earlier and they said 500 Jamaican dollar to enter into the beach. So I hope when we reach, they don't give me a tourist price, because them people down here, they love charge me a tourist. I mean a tourist. How the taxi them there? What's the one here? And taxi are come people. Right. Taxi people. Guys, it's actually like literally 2 minutes. Me just go in my car and come up back. So him say I should follow the road and go all the way around. So I see some man in and they look for me. Oh my god. I don't know where to go though. I don't know where to go. Guys, nah lie at all. This a road here. A long time I don't see them kind of road there. Well, unless I go St. Thomas. There's a black factory over here, so. Oh, it's a big black factory. Nice. Alright, so the man said I should follow the road. So I'm following the road. I will look at bushes. And if I go the right way though, should I ask the people them out this way? There's a little advertisement. People them are order black, so all of the people that watch my YouTube channel in St. Mary. D&B Black Factory now open for delivery. Black Factory and Hardware Supplies Limited. Your foundation starts with us. And make sure to go order from the people them. Them are gonna pay me for the advice there. Oh, look at dirt truck. Alright, so Abby did tell me about one bridge. I must the bridge this. Oh my god. Yes, it looks scary of that. Jesus Christ. Wow, it looks like the river meet up with the beach. There's a river down there. Nice. Lord Jesus. What the fucking, I make a work come over this bridge. Watch ya. Oh my god, look at that. That's so cool. Right. It's very nice. Wow, wow. Which river me have to come down here? What's that? Bye. I'm not taking back. I'm not taking back. Come on, I say again, me one. Run a full of donkey dodo. No, sir. A long time I not smell donkey dodo. Huh? Them have nice place around here, man. I'm over here seeing him. Rio Nueve Village. Horseback. Oh, they do horseback ride around here. Nice. This place is beautiful. How about that say? Let me go up close. I can't see me have my glasses. Digital Foundation. Bunny Gate Women's Group. A Build Jamaica grant, whatever that is. Alright. What guava tree? A long time and I say guava. A long time in a see guava for true. Well, like say me a good up tourist, but a long time in a see guava. Around here is very bushy, I ain't gonna lie. And far. Then I meet one of the staff them at the beach have to go follow me go back. Guys, me not gonna lie, it is a far way. Look how far me there. No, so one ratted long gate road. It's too far, man. Too far. Whew, but it's cool. So it's actually two beach. So you have Rio Nueve Beach, then you have Sugar Park Beach. Right? But I thought I was at the wrong place. The man said I should go up somewhere before I find Sugar Park Beach. So come on with me. What? People, look on car. Look on vehicles. There's a lot of vehicles around here. Wow. When me call them earlier, I never hear all of this noise. Finally. Then if you fix up the security post to our toilet. Guys, I'll be cutting out most of the video because of music that was being played at the beach. You know how YouTube go with copyrights. Guys, at this point, Congress is a good thing me they walk with my Doritos. Alright guys, that's the end of the vlog. Well, not the end, but me I walk the out on the road now. It was good. It's because of farm walk come, and I doubt I can get taxi from all this. Come so far. I want to people dealer. Watch car. I want to people down there. Yeah. May I leave early because I have to walk go so far. I'm not even changing my clothes. I'm still in the wet clothes. By the time I reach out on the road, I must dry off. If I'm not dry off, then I probably have to go walk. Go back to the villa. Alright guys, I reached back at the bridge. I'm just curious. I want to know what underneath the bridge looks like. So the hole, I'm gonna push my phone. I'm scared of doing this. I push my phone down there and this will come. Wow. Alright guys, this is the next day and the end of the video. I am so sorry you guys get the vlog piece of but I had to cut out the video because of the music. I don't want YouTube to take down my video, and it never makes sense. I put in the clips then and mute out the entire video, and to do a voiceover on so much moving that they fly and so much clip, it will be too much. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog just as how I did. If you want to go to this beach, whether you're overseas, whenever you come to Jamaica, you just hit me up and I'll send you the location. Or if you're in Jamaica and watching this, you guys should go to that beach. Definitely, it's a beautiful beach. Yes. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share it with your friend. Tell them to subscribe. It not take no time to just click on that button and subscribe. Alright, until next time, I'm Chef Anthony Dakers. Don't forget to follow me on all social platforms, Chef Anthony Dakers or Chef Dakers, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, not Snapchat. Alright, bye.